Hi, this is Christina, and thank you for joining me for my product review on Museum Box. When I was in elementary school, one of my favorite things to do was show and tell, and Museum Box kind of caught my attention as something very similar. Um, the idea behind Museum Box was first created by Thomas Clarkson. Thomas wanted to show um, arguments against slavery. And so he went around and he collected different things, diagrams, shackles, crops, different things that he thought would be useful to promote his argument. And he put them into a box. And then he took that box around to different campaigns. And thus the idea of Museum Box was born. Later, developers in England, they took this idea and created a virtual museum box that students and teachers can use each and every day. Audience, I believe that Museum Box is a great tool for teachers and students, and I think that Museum Box will really help those students with speech and language impairments. Museum Box is a fantastic tool to help with communication. So let me just show you just a little bit about Museum Box. When a student logs into their account, they are presented with a 3D box. Each side of this box will help students promote a main topic, either given to them by their teacher or something of their choice. When students are ready, as you can see down here, each side of the box, students can organize and display their content, such as texts, images, videos, audio, anything that they would like to use to promote their main topic. They put into the squares of the box. Once they have everything arranged the way that they would like, students just simply display their product. And they can click, and this box right here flips and goes to each side, and it's just a fun way for students to promote a topic of their choice. So let me just show you. I would like to go to the main page, the Museum Box. Here we are. This is the main page of Museum Box. And here it gives you like a video, just shows you a little bit, teachers and students, a testimonial about how much they love it and how engaging it is for their students. Here is just a little bit more about Thomas Clarkson. Also, what I liked was actually going to this section here under Museum Boxes, and you could view different boxes created by different students or teachers. I thought that was really great. Back to the home page for just a moment. I did want to draw your attention to this little section over here where it says there is also a trial version and then register your school for the teachers. All right. When I was looking at the new technologies page, Museum Box was rated 3 out of 5 on their product review. So let's go to cost. How much does Museum Box actually cost? Well, on the new technologies page, it's licensed and promoted as free. However, this free and trial version, students are only allowed to use what is already uploaded in Museum Box. So Museum Box gives you some pictures, and you can use those to kind of play and manipulate and learn how to create your own box. But in order for students to actually create their own box, teachers would have to pay a small subscription of $72 a year. And then they would have to create an account for their students. Recommendations. I would highly recommend Museum Box. I think it's a fun and engaging way for students and teachers to promote a specific topic. I also feel as though if you use this as a group project, students with special needs would be able to have those social interactions with their peers and learn how to work with one another. Most importantly, students with speech and language impairments, this tool would be fantastic for them. If they have trouble speaking or not able to communicate as well as the other students, they can use text, audio, video, anything they would like to promote the topic given to them. That way it would reduce the amount of talking and allow their Museum Box to speak for them. The con behind Museum Box to me is the fee. It's a shame that we can't just use this, but the fee is not so great, and you can have quite a few students actually using this program under that fee for the year. Also, another con I noticed was teachers having to set up individual accounts for their students. Anyways, that is my product review on Museum Box. I hope you enjoy. Have a wonderful day.